Welcome to News Trust web channel. Heavy rains, tidal floods, landslides, water, submerged fields, crops, and low-lying areas in the state. Normal public life disrupted. Flooding rivers, water releasing from dams. This is the pitiable situation of Kerala state since 4 days. Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, directed the officials to monitor effectively rehabilitation works in the flood-affected areas. Chief Minister P. Vijayan viewed flood-affected areas in Idukki, Wayanad, Palakkad, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Malappuram, and Kozhikode districts through aerial survey. Along with the opposition leader Ramesh Chennithala, Revenue Minister Chandrasekharan, DGP, and CS, Mr. Vijayan visited 3 relief camps including at Telatturut and Kunakkara. After aerial survey, Chief Minister announced 4 lakhs rupees ex gratia to the deceased family members. He also announced for construction of houses 10 lakhs rupees who lost houses by collapsing landslides. The Chief Minister urged the people to donate generously to rehabilitation works in the state. He donated 1 lakh rupees to CM Disaster Fund. The Pondicherry CM Narayanaswamy announced 1 crore rupees to CM Disaster Fund and assured to extend cooperation in rehabilitation works. He also appealed the public to donate for Kerala victims to CM's Relief Fund. DMK Working President Stalin and Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister Parameswaran also responded to rehabilitation works of flood-affected Kerala state. NDRF personnel monitoring the rehabilitation works. The Department of MET announced red alert in 8 districts up to 14th August. A total of 35,874 people have been put up into 341 relief camps across in Kerala. Officials at the State Disaster Management Control Room said as many as 580 houses were partially damaged and 44 fully. They said adding crops in 1,301 hectares have been destroyed. Thank you. Please share, like and subscribe News Trust web channel.